Welcome to the Mythical Forest with Dee Dee and Boris, and today we're going to be making a watering bucket, not for the chickens, but for the baby chickens, because the other water bucket is too high off the ground, so we're going to use this one for the babies. And luckily I have one nipple left, and hopefully it's not a defective one, because I had one in the batch. So I'm going to sit down here and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to do. And I'm going to show you, look at what I did on this side of the bucket. I just had some stickers.
Oh, that's so
silly.
fun.
Buster, get out of that. And then I just put the Mythical Forest on the bucket here so that when we're filming in there, you can see it. So anyway, this company, I don't get paid for this. I'm just showing you what I bought. I got it on Amazon. It's called DIY Chicken Watering Kit. Rent a Coop, I think is the name of the company. Rent a Coop. And what you want to get is, there's 10 of them. You want to make sure that it's the kind that goes on the side, not under the bottom. Okay, it's much better and easier. Okay, and so what I do is here's the kind that I've never used or that I don't like. This goes on the bottom of it. You see these? These
yes.
go on the bottom. I don't like those.
These
go on the bottom of it.
You put on the bottom here, like this.
But I don't like that because I'm not raising or hanging this.
And so they can come, if this was hanging from something, but we don't. So, we put this on the ground.
And then I always make sure you have a lid because you're going to get mosquitoes.
And this is what they come and peck at this. Peck.
And we'll show you when it's done. I'll take it out.
We'll show you when it's done.
Or Boris might. So let me show you this. What I do is this comes with it. This little tool. It goes in the drill like that.
To screw that in.
Let me show you.
But first,
I use the drill bit, and because I can never remember, I
what
just
size?
keep this drill bit in this bag at all times. So when I have to make a new bucket with a nipple, it's already here. So let me make the holes first. I'll show you how easy it is.
How many do we have? Just one?
Yeah. So I said holes, but I meant hole.
We'll do it right below.
Uh-oh. I'm dropping everything. Bless you.
Sorry.
So you just want to be very careful not to make the hole too big. And so
fingers if it slips.
Actually,
are you sure you're drilling in?
Well, I am, but I was thinking about going a little lower, but no. Okay, so you don't want the hole to be too high up,
because the babies can't reach it.
So, but in with the other ones, you could go a little higher if you wanted to, but you want to go too high because you want the chicken to be able to reach it. Buster, you think you're going to help me? What's in your mouth?
What do you have in your mouth? Let me see. Let me see what's in your mouth.
No, tell him what he's picked up.
Let me see what's in your mouth.
So,
let me see.
Okay, watch out.
Hold
you
on.
gotta have this tool.
Let me see what's in your mouth.
See.
Open your mouth.
There's nothing in there.
There's nothing in there.
Okay,
good boy.
He accidentally picked up a corn cob out of our compost the other day, which is really dangerous. Could kill a dog.
Buster, you can't be eating corn cobs.
Okay, here we go. So, let me show them this. They need to see how this does. So this tool.
Go over there.
Watch out.
You too.
So this tool, you put it in there, and where you put the bit, and then you just tighten it on like that.
Oh, it comes with a tool.
It comes with a tool. That tool. Let me put it straight. That tool fits on here like this. And that tool is what is going to have you drill this in. So this is very, very slow. Do it very slow. Because if you don't, you'll strip it and it'll get too...
No, don't get away from the phone, Buster.
And then you'll have a leak. Okay, so that's the last thing you want is this to leak.
And then you can just screw it in manually.
There you go, that's good.
Wait. There.
Okay, now,
so that little lippy thing is to the bottom.
So
don't pull it too hard.
That's where the water is going to come out. So I'm going to fill this with water, and then we'll have Boris meet you in the chicken coop and show you
how it works.
Okay, we have the water container here, and this is the adult water container. And the water comes out. And so the reason I want to use this water container is two things. I want them to learn how to use the nipple. And they keep throwing dirt constantly in this water container. So, and if I raise it too high off of the ground, they can't reach it. So that's why I wanted to make this baby one. So I'm putting it next to this one so that they can see, and the mother will teach them about this nipple eventually. And let's see, there's the babies. There's the babies. There's me and Mama. There's the babies. She's probably gonna peck my camera. Watch her. She's very protective. And there's the grandma, Angie. She's about 10 years old. She's helping take care of the babies. So anyway, there is the new watering container. You guys go watch the video on the babies hatching and all that. All the chicken videos. Go to our playlist.